We made it to the Hilton Lake Buena Vista at Disney Springs. It's about 4:30. Avery's already got control of the TV. Already watching TV. But we just made it after about a little over 7.5 hours, so not too bad with all that snow, but definitely made it. And ready now for vacation mode. Here's our room. Give you a little bit of room. It's like a Hilton. They said it was like a junior suite or something. I don't know. Couch. Avery. Cheesin'. Comes in here. There's Tiffany. Cheesin'. They both cheese. No wonder they got it from his mother. There's our sink and our bathroom in there. No big deal. Just a little bathroom. But yeah, so we're going to head on over to Disney Springs. So we're supposed to leave for Miami tomorrow. We're going to stay in Orlando tomorrow night. But we're supposed to leave here. We're in the Atlanta metropolitan area. And if anybody else has ever lived here, they're not used to snow. Snow here doesn't really go well. And yeah, so here it is the day before we leave. They had to close my job because the roads were so bad. And there's out our window right now. So yeah, nice little snow. And this is just the beginning from what they say. It's supposed to actually be worse as the day goes on. We shall see if we actually get to head out tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see if what happens. But our plan is to leave at 5 a.m. tomorrow and go from there. So here's the 5 o'clock update before we leave tomorrow morning. We now probably have like maybe inch and a half, maybe. I don't know. I'm not very good at this stuff. But yeah. Still gonna try to get out in the morning. We'll see exactly what happens. So it's about 7:30 in the morning. We obviously didn't leave at 5 because it's still snowing. Gotta clean off the car now. See exactly what's going on. We gotta get to that Carnival Vista, so we're gonna have to get going. But this is not a fun way to start this vacation because Atlanta is not ready for all this. Never is. Just look at the chunks I'm getting off this car. Gotta get this car cleaned off. Using a spatula. You know, you can use that for everything, right? Hopefully we'll get out of here in the next couple hours. I think I'm gonna move the car to the front. Start there.
So this is the most snow that I have seen since living there. Oh, look, a snowman.
Where?
Let me zoom in. Can you stop?
Tiffany, really?
I'm just kidding. No, you'd better not stop. Do you want to build a snowman? Look how pretty. Yeah. We got about 8 inches as a whole heck of a lot.
Especially for Atlanta.
For Atlanta. It's almost like a snowstorm. And we're on our way to sunny Orlando, Florida.
Hopefully so.
Then Miami. We're gonna cruise along. Be lots of fun. So right now we're a little jammed in here, stacked up, but we'll get there. What are you looking at?
What do you okay?
What is-
a what?
What is that?
I don't know.
Gatorland?
Some kind
Gator
of-
Park.
Uh,
Warm Springs. Here we come.
it's
Where are we going, dude? Man, this is busy.
Avery, if you want to take a tree,
There's a Pluto tree.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Avery.
Oh, it's really snowing, Avery. I know. I'll be there. You know, Grandma.